As the spouse of Max Stahl, one of our true hero. So, what do you want Stahl, the center, to be in the future? Like, it's going to be transferred to public institute or, whatever, according to you.
I mean, Max, as you know, all his work, all his ambition for the last almost 20 years has been about establishing an archive with the intention of it being a permanent presence in East Timor, housing the audiovisual memories of East Timor so that it can be available for generations of people for the future. And he has had a lot of dialogues with the government about his ideas about how he believes this would work best, and this was to be as a public institution.
As the family of the Max, what Max family is going to do in the future with the Stahl? Like after it becomes a public institute?
I mean, I hope we will remain very involved with Stahl. The exact way that will be done has not yet been discussed in detail, but of course we will be willing to support Max's legacy in Timor, and our family has lived here for almost 20 years, and I'm sure when the children are older they too will want to continue to contribute in some way. It's impossible to know at this point, but we are at the moment talking with the people who are acting here, and also the people who are supporting Stahl. We received messages from so many people while Max was sick, from the President, the Prime Minister, Dr. Moshorsha, from Shanana, all expressing their commitment to support CAMS to continue beyond Max's living existence in East Timor, according to what Max had wished. And as family, we will support as we can to the people who are here.
So the family is going to cooperate with the government and relevant parties to make it a public institution to better preserve the...
It doesn't. We have no ownership of Stahl. It's Timor's. It's Timor's institution. Yeah. It was. It's not a private. It was never a private thing or anything even remotely to do with family ownership. Yeah. This was always a Timorese institution.
So before Max's last breath, what his special message about Stahl?
As I said, he wanted very much for CAMS to continue in a way that he has already had a dialogue with many Timorese people in government about in the public institution, and a law or a legal basis for the institution has been drafted. And I'm not privy to all the details around this. So.
As a family and as the spouse of Max, what is your message to the people of Timor-Leste?
We are very, very grateful to the love and the welcome that we received since bringing Max's ashes back yesterday. We are very grateful to all of the people who have been involved in the organisation of the commemoration yesterday, today and tomorrow. We are extremely grateful to the fact that allowance has been made, permission has been given for Max's ashes to be buried in Santa Cruz Cemetery. And that's, thanks to a lot of people who were involved. I'm worried I'm going to forget. But, the veterans, the 12th of November Committee, the government, Dr. Amos Horta, the people from CAMS, a lot of bodies and individuals have been involved in making sure that happened. That's very special. Thank you to Timor and the Timorese people for giving Timor to Max as his home and his citizenship. He was welcomed to be Timorese, and we have been too, which is lovely.